Hey, this is Jason Moss with the Georgia Manufacturing Alliance and Manufacturing News Network. We have got a great week of calls lined up for you this week. Today, Monday, we've got a town hall call lined up at 10 o'clock, kind of give you an update on what's going on as it relates to manufacturing in the state of Georgia and how we're dealing with it through the coronavirus. At 2 o'clock, we have a task force call where companies are gathering together to talk about what's going on and how they can support during this fight against this war against the coronavirus. Next week, we'll be transitioning that task force call to Tuesday. But this Tuesday at 10 o'clock, we've got a call lined up for safety and human resources. And then on Wednesday, we've got a really neat new format that we're going to be doing, and it is virtual networking. And it's designed specifically for GMA members. So you have to be a GMA member. You got to be able to log in online, and then you can register for that event. It's very limited. We've only got 30 spots open for that. That way we make sure we get some really great networking. So register early for the GMA networking, the virtual networking on Wednesday at 10 a.m. And on Thursday, we've got a really cool recovery call. So as we're getting ready to get back to work, I know a lot of companies that are GMA members were essential businesses and kind of work through the shutdown, but many companies are now getting really started back up. So we're going to give you some insight on how you can be better prepared for the recovery and getting back to work in manufacturing. And of course, on Friday, we've got our Fun Friday call at 4 o'clock. So I'd encourage you to go ahead and go online and register for all of these events at GeorgiaManufacturingAlliance.com under the events tab. We're here to serve you and try to figure out how we can best help support and grow manufacturing in the state of Georgia, even through the coronavirus. So thank you guys for being part of our organization, and we look forward to seeing you on an upcoming call.